Most people wait to feel ready, ready to start, ready to lead, ready to speak up, ready to become. That's the delay that keeps them average. Because identity doesn't show up first, behavior does. Welcome to today's episode of the Achieve Your Apex podcast. I'm Chad Hyams, your voice of reason. And today, we're talking about acting as if before the results show up. Not pretending, not faking it, installing it. Here's the trap. People say, I'll act confident once I'm confident. I'll lead once I'm qualified. I'll show discipline once I feel disciplined. And that's backwards. Confidence follows courageous behavior. Discipline follows disciplined action. Leadership follows leading. Behavior installs identity faster than belief ever will. Let's bring some science into this. Research from the University of Michigan shows that behavior change often precedes attitude change, not the other way around. Meaning, you don't think your way into becoming, you act your way into becoming. There's also something called the self-perception theory in psychology. It suggests that we infer who we are by watching what we do. You don't wake up and say, I am disciplined. You look at your behavior and conclude, I must be disciplined. Or you look at your behavior and conclude something else. That's why acting as if works. Not because it's just positive thinking and all that happy stuff, because it actually rewires our identity through repetition. Let's make this real for you. If you want to be someone who is fit, what does someone who trains do on a Tuesday when they're tired? Answer that. If you want to be someone who leads, what do they do when the room gets quiet? If you want to be somebody who manages your money well, what does someone who manages money well do when they feel the urge to overspend? Now act that way before you feel like it. Let's be real clear. Acting as if does not mean exaggerating. It means aligning. It's not, I'm a billionaire, when your checking account clearly says something different. It's, I'm someone who manages my money intentionally. There's a difference. One is fantasy, one is discipline. Let me give you an ask-formation that might help. Ask yourself this. Who would I need to be today if the version I'm becoming was already installed? Let me ask it to you again. You can either pause, think on this a minute, or write it down to ask yourself this daily for the next few days. Who would I need to be today if the version I'm becoming was already installed? Now sit on that for a moment, because the moment you answer it, your decisions will shift. There's a reason high performers talk about standards. Standards remove negotiation. If I'm someone who trains, I don't debate workouts. If I'm someone who writes, I don't debate writing. If I'm someone who honors my commitments, I don't debate showing up. Negotiation disappears when identity is clear, and acting as if accelerates that clarity for you. Here's where most people hesitate in this. They're afraid of feeling like a fraud. Ooh, that might be a new tongue twister. They're afraid of feeling like a fraud. Imposter syndrome shows up. How many of you have ever experienced imposter syndrome? Who am I to act like that? Let me give you something practical. Every expert you admire once acted before they felt ready. Every leader once spoke before they felt fully qualified. Every disciplined person once forced a first rep. No one waits for identity to arrive, they install it. There's a powerful quote from William James. Act as if what you do makes a difference. It does. That's not poetic fluff, folks. Act as if what you do makes a difference. It does. Your nervous system adapts to repeated behavior. Repeated behavior reshapes identity. Identity stabilizes effort. Effort compounds. And that's the loop. Now let's ground this in something simple for you. Pick one identity that you decided on in last week's episode. That was episode 1 of this series. Now ask yourself, what is one action that version of me would take today? Just one. What is one action that version of me would take today? Not 10, 1. It's not a dramatic overhaul. It's one aligned action. If you're someone who trains, maybe it's 15 minutes in the gym. If you're someone who communicates directly, maybe it's one honest conversation today. If you're someone who builds value, maybe it's one focused work block creating value. Small action, aligned identity, repeat tomorrow. That's how identity gets locked in. Here's the truth, everybody. You don't wait to feel like the future version. You practice being them every day, quietly. No announcements or Facebook posts are required. And let me say this clearly. Acting as if does not mean perfection. It means direction. Miss once? Hey, realign. Feeling doubt? Hey, realign. Low energy day? Shrink the action, not the identity. Work out less. Have half of the honest conversation. Take less action. Don't not take the action. Because consistency builds belief, and belief does not build consistency. Let me close this episode in this series with this. You're not waiting to become someone. You are rehearsing becoming someone. The only question is which version. So today, don't ask, how do I feel? Ask, who am I practicing being? Install that and watch what stabilizes. Next episode in this series, we're going to talk about protecting the version once it begins forming, because drift happens quietly. If this episode sharpened your thinking, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the rest of this series. And make sure you share this episode with someone else who maybe needs to hear the message we shared here today. And as always, keep climbing.